What's up, everybody? In this video we're actually going to be talking about happiness and ways in which we can increase our overall level of happiness, and I'm getting this information from the book How to Stop Worrying and Start Living by Dale Carnegie. I've had this book for years. So there's a chapter here that I'm going to read. It's an excerpt from a Sibl F. Patridge, and it's something that can actually help you boost your overall levels of happiness if you follow it. So let's get into it. Okay, it says here, just for today, I will be happy. This assumes that what Abraham Lincoln said is true, that most folks are about as happy as they make up in their minds to be. Happiness is from within. It is not a matter of externals. Just for today, I will adjust myself to what is and not try to adjust everything to my own desires. I will take my family, my business, and my luck as they come and fit myself to them. Just for today, I will take care of my body. I will exercise it, care for it, nourish it, and not abuse it nor neglect it, so that it will be a perfect machine for my bidding. Just for today, I will strengthen my mind. I will learn something useful. I will not be a mental loafer. I will read something that requires effort, thought, and concentration. Just for today, I will exercise my soul in 3 ways. I will do somebody a good turn and not get found out. I will do at least 2 things I don't want to do, as William James suggests, just for exercise. And just for today, I will be agreeable. I will look as well as I can, dress as becomingly as possible, talk low, act courteously, be liberal with praise, criticize not at all, nor find fault with anything, and not try to regulate nor improve anyone. Just for today, I will try to live through this day only, not to tackle my whole life problem at once. I can do things for 12 hours that would appall me if I had to. Keep them up for a lifetime. Okay. Just for today, I will have a program. I will write down what I expect to do every hour. I may not follow it exactly, but I will have it, and it will eliminate 2 pests: hurrying and indecision. Just for today, I will have a quiet half hour all by myself and relax. In this half hour, sometimes I will think of God so as to get a little perspective into my life. And lastly, just for today, I will be unafraid. Especially, I will not be afraid to be happy, to enjoy what is beautiful, to love, and to believe that those I love me. Okay? So, okay, here you go. Here you see it. In the book, How to Stop Worrying and Start Living. Absolutely love this. So many useful, tangible, practical things that we can do to increase our overall levels of happiness. He's even got the health aspect to it, learning something useful, the time management aspect of it, meditation, taking a half hour to yourself and relax, so it's beautiful. Definitely check out this book. Just wanted to fire something out to you guys today. How to Stop Worrying and Start Living by Dale Carnegie.